Hey everyone, today we're talking about one of the most exciting muscle car lineups hitting 2026, the new Dodge Charger family. If you're into raw power, aggressive design, and muscle car heritage with a modern twist, this year's lineup is something you absolutely need to know about. Let's start with the headline. Dodge isn't slowing down. In fact, they just debuted the all-new 2026 Charger Daytona, which comes not just as a coupe but even as a four-door muscle car, making it the only four-door muscle sedan in the world right now. What makes the Daytona so cool is how it blends classic Charger DNA, that wide, bold body and aggressive stance, with modern muscle performance. You're still getting the iconic Charger feel, but now with 4 doors and practical space, and yes, serious performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Charger Daytona Scat Pack kicks out around 670 horsepower, basically matching Hellcat levels of output, and gets you from 0 to 60 in roughly 3.3 seconds. That's insanely fast for a sedan, and it keeps that legendary Dodge muscle car vibe alive with explosive throttle and that classic rumble that fans crave, thanks to Dodge's Freightsonic chambered exhaust system. Now, Dodge didn't stop there. The regular 2026 Charger lineup also includes the 6-pack powered models, with the new Hurricane 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-6 delivering around 550 horsepower in the Scat Pack and 420 horsepower in the Charger R/T. They both come with all-wheel drive, a modern 8-speed automatic, and a chassis tuned to handle the power while giving you that rear-drive fun muscle car feel. What's cool about this isn't just raw numbers, it's how Dodge has also brought muscle car technology and everyday usability together. You still have drive modes like Sport and Track, Launch Control, even Drift and Drag modes for more spirited driving, stuff that makes the Charger feel just as at home on a weekend track day as it is cruising the highway. And despite changing automotive trends where many brands dive headfirst into electrification, Dodge is doubling down on performance, keeping powerful engines and even expanding options for customers who want their muscle the traditional way. Plus, the Charger itself is gaining recognition. It was recently named the 2026 North American Car of the Year, beating out some serious competition, which says a lot about how well this new generation has been received. So whether you're a fan of classic American muscle, performance tech, or just love watching a big-bodied car rip down the road with authority, the 2026 Dodge Charger lineup is shaping up to be one of the most exciting muscle car families we've seen in years. Stick around, because we'll be diving deeper into individual trims and performance figures soon, and trust me, you don't want to miss that.